Is your Facebook store keep loading and sounds not working or auto-closing today? Recently, some Facebook Messenger users have been saying that unfortunately, their Facebook and Messenger story sounds not working or the story keeps loading today. Now, if you find that you can't watch any video or can't see any picture, or if you can't upload or download anything, then you need to watch this video to learn a quick way to solve the Facebook story problem on Android. So let's get started. First, you need to fix your internet issues. First, check your internet speed and stability. You can open the browser and type Internet Speed Test. Open this up. If you found that your internet is not working well on your mobile device, you can enable airplane mode for 20 seconds and turn off your airplane mode. Or you can switch your mobile network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. After solving your internet issues for your Messenger apps, now you need to remove the software glitch from the Messenger apps. So, open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps, search for Facebook apps, tap on it. Now first turn on Auto Start, tap App Permission, enable Files and Media, choose Allow, go back, enable Location, tap Allows, go back, now scroll down. Tap Battery Saver. Choose No Restriction. Enable all the setting. Now tap Clear Data. Tap Clear All Data. Tap OK. Now go back. Now re-log into your Facebook account first. Now check your problem. Also, open Messenger and re-log into your account, Messenger apps, and try to watch the story and see what happens. Please comment below if you still have issues with Facebook story not working. Thanks for watching.